I went through every piece of public information I could find. A no. The sales page, the course structure, hundreds of member reviews, Trustpilot ratings, community feedback, complaints, and everything in between. And I found things that genuinely impressed me, Koev, and things that concerned me. This is the most transparent breakdown of intelligent cryptocurrency VIP that you will find anywhere. No paid script, no blind promotion, just research, data, and my honest assessment. In my last video, I promised you this review. I told you I would show you what is inside, what is good, what is not, and give you real reasons and note to buy. So let us get into it.
First one, what is Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP? It is a premium crypto education platform created by Dirk de Bruin,
a cryptocurrency analyst who has been active in the space full-time since 2015. That is nearly a decade of experience Fro, which, in the crypto world, makes him one of the longest-standing educators still operating. The platform has over 3,300 members and is sold through Digistore24, a well-known digital product marketplace. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which I will come back to later because it matters. Now, Teo, what is actually inside? The core of the platform is a comprehensive video masterclass that covers cryptocurrency fundamentals, Fro, blockchain, how coins work, the different types of digital assets, and how to navigate the market as a beginner. From what I have seen in member testimonials and detailed reviews, this masterclass is structured in a way that takes you from knowing nothing to having a solid understanding of how the market operates. Beyond the basics, there is a technical analysis course, PUB, teaching you how to read charts, identify patterns, and use indicators to make more informed decisions. There is also a money management course focused on position sizing, risk management, and protecting your capital. These are the kinds of topics that most free YouTube content barely scratches the surface on. Then there are the bonus reports, special research on topics like building a crypto portfolio, creating exit strategies, privacy and security. From what members describe, these reports are detailed and practical, not just surface-level overviews. But the feature that comes up over and over again in member reviews, babes, the one people seem to value most, is the private Discord community. Dirk shares his own trade ideas in real time, engages with members daily, and provides market insights you wouldn't find in the course material alone. Many members describe this community as the real reason they stay subscribed. And this connects directly to something I talked about in a previous video: accountability. Having a community of people on the same journey, asking questions, sharing results, keeping each other honest. Now, Kerr, who is this for? Based on everything I have researched, Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is designed for complete beginners who want a structured path into crypto, and for intermediate investors who have some knowledge but lack a system. If you have been watching my entire video series and you feel like you want more depth, more structure, and especially more community support, this platform appears to deliver on that. Who is this not for? If you are already an advanced trader doing complex on-chain analysis and DeFi strategies, this will likely be too basic. If you are looking for someone to just hand you a list of coins to buy and make you rich overnight, this is not that. And if you have a very tight budget throughout, I should mention the pricing is on the higher end compared to some competitors. The VIP membership is a significant investment. That is something you need to weigh against your own financial situation. Let me share what genuinely impressed me. First one, longevity and consistency. Dirk de Bruin has been doing this since 2015. In the crypto education space, where scam courses appear and disappear every month, someone who has been operating transparently for nearly a decade. With a growing community of over 3,300 members health, that says something. Most scam artists do not stick around long enough to build that kind of track record. Second, the 60-day money-back guarantee through Digistore24. This is not just a promise on a sales page. Digistore24 is a regulated payment processor that handles refunds independently. If you are not satisfied within 60 days, you can get your money back. That significantly reduces the risk of trying it. Third one, the active community. The consistent theme across positive reviews is that the Discord group is where the real value lives. Real-time trade ideas, market discussions, daily engagement from Dirk himself. For someone who struggles with accountability too, which, as I explained in a previous video, is 90% of beginners come, this could be the difference between quitting in 2 months and still investing 2 years from now. Now the concerns, Pam. Because I promised honesty, and honesty means sharing what is NOT perfect. First one, the price. Compared to many crypto courses in the $50 to $200 range, Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP is a premium product. For some people, the investment will pay for itself quickly through avoided mistakes and better decisions. For others, especially those just starting with very small amounts, it may be hard to justify upfront. Second, Tim, I have not personally gone through the course material myself. I want to be completely transparent about that. My assessment is based on extensive research. Member reviews, public testimonials, Trustpilot feedback. Everything I have found points to this being a legitimate, high-quality platform. But I cannot give you a first-hand module-by-module walkthrough, and I think you deserve to know that. Third one, some negative reviews on Trustpilot mention issues with community management and communication style. While these appear to be isolated cases among hundreds of positive reviews, they are worth noting. No platform is perfect, and every community has friction points. So how? Is it worth it? Here is how I think about it. Go back to the math formula from my last video. Take the amount you plan to invest in crypto over the next year. Multiply by 0.2. If that number is significantly higher than the cost of this membership, and you value structured education plus community accountability, then Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP makes financial sense. If the math does not work for your situation, save your money and use the free content on this channel. But I also want you to know that I spent weeks researching this before putting my name behind it. I would not recommend something I did not believe was legitimate and valuable. The link is in the description. It is an affiliate link here. I earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you sign up. I want to be upfront about that. And remember, Core, there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. So even if you are on the fence, you can try it risk-free and decide for yourself. Now the core, you have the knowledge, you have the strategies, you have the review, but there is one piece left, one video that ties this entire series together. Because knowing everything I have taught you means nothing if you do not actually do it. And the brutal truth is that 90% of people who start in crypto give up within months. Not because it is too hard, not because the market is against them, but because they are missing one critical step, RET. A step so obvious that when I tell you what it is, you will wonder how anyone succeeds without it. In my next video, I am giving you the complete 6-step roadmap from zero to confident crypto investor. But step 5 is the one that changes everything. It is the step that determines whether you are still here a year from now, Cam, or whether crypto becomes just another thing you tried and walked away from. 6 steps. One revelation, almost there.